Hey guys, Shawn here with Unique Sign & Design, and today we're going to be wrapping a Yukon Gold safe. This is for the Southwest chapter of Muley Fanatics. That just means they're out of Cheyenne. JT's got a pretty awesome Devil's Tower scene we're going to put on it. Check it out. Alright guys, we just finished up with that safe from Muley Fanatics. Check out what that looks like. Side, front, and side. If you're sick of the gun safe in your house looking just like a big piece of junk, bring it to us. We'll wrap it. Talk to you guys later.